Oh my lord. That is some large hail.
Well, yeah, when I first started here, it's like, what the hell, should I knock on the door?
That's what I thought for a second, and then you look out the window and it's like,
Look at
whoa!
Look at the parking lot.
What?
Yeah, look at
Oh!
that big one right there by the door.
Oh my god!
I'm not interested. This is not about my becoming an expert in violence. I'm 74 years old. I don't want
Oh
to
boy.
do anything else in
People
my
are going to
whole
have a
life. I
lot of
got enough on
damage
my
to their
head. All I
cars.
wanna do
Yeah,
is
you could say that.
What I know
What does
about
it
is
look like
sometimes
out there?
She
Because
bought a product.
Bad.
She overpaid for the product in her mind because she didn't get as good a violence.
It's, I'm pretty sure it's nothing but hail coming down right now.
well, did you take a picture of that big one there?
I got a video playing right now.
Yeah, I know, but you get a good close-up. That's a big one. That's got to be just about golf size.
Yep,
Look at that big one.
that thing's big.
Okay. Well, it's certainly beyond 14 days.
If he would have given me right there, I would have returned it.
It's your violence.
That thing right there is big.
You know, I was watching the Weather Channel last night. There's another big one.
Oh my lord.
I wonder how much damage it's going to have to the roof with this stuff.
We'll have to see after. Oh my, it is a good thing we got back, because I would not want to walk through this.
It's like this little baby's here.